Make a pom, make a pom pom pom, make a come, make a keep a the pom pom pom. Your body kakara, make a pom pom pom. On a make it. Kilo fe, I'm a dead chocolate.
Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara and I'm not going to make this intro long at all. I just want to let you guys know how this video is going to go. First of all, I'm going to show you guys this hair that I am wearing and how I installed it, and at the end of the video I'm going to tell you guys my final thoughts on this hair and just basically talk about this hair more in depth. Okay, so if you guys want to know more about this hair, then definitely stay tuned to the end. Also, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to where you can buy this hair from. So if you want to buy that, check the description box below. And don't come to the comment section and start asking me where did you get this hair from, because I'm just saying it right now, like it's in the description box. Like, don't be asking me that question. Like, watch the video and stop skipping. Stop skipping. That's rude. Okay? Anyways, guys, I think that's all I have to say for this intro. Enjoy the video and I'll see you guys in the video. Okay, bye. Okay guys, so this is basically what you're going to need: just a white tooth comb, tiny tooth comb and tweezers, and you want to start plucking the hair in sections. I usually like pluck one side and then skip a little part and then pluck the next part. I think that makes sense. I don't know. I hope it makes sense, but just look at what I'm doing. Plucking this hair was a little hard. Actually, it was really difficult because like the knots were so strong and pulling it out was so hard. I even ripped the lace one time, but after I did it like this for a little bit and then I just went ahead to spray some water on it and it was a little easier, but it was still really hard. So after you pluck for a while, make sure you comb through just to make sure that you're not over plucking hair. You want to make sure you know what exactly you are doing, and when you're plucking your hair, make sure you're plucking the black roots and not just cutting short pieces of hair. So this is what it looks like when I was done. I was tired. I would have gone and continued a little more, but I was already tired and I'm like, bruh, it's good like this. I beg, it will work. So this is what it looked like. What you want to do next is turn the hair inside out and make sure that most of the hair is out of the way. Then I'm taking this airbrush leg spray and I'm going to spray it on the lace just to make the color closer to my skin tone. You can use foundation or powder, but this was just a lot faster, that's why I used it. But after doing this, it was too light for me, so I went ahead and used my powder on top of it as well. When you're spraying, you want to spray from a distance. If you spray too close, it's going to be too pigmented and you don't want that. Just spray from a distance. Go ahead and put on your wig cap, and I went ahead to sew an elastic band to the wig. Then that's just going to make it a whole lot easier for me when I'm kind of gluing it down. So now you want to make sure that everything is seated right before you start to glue down, and that's what I'm doing right now. Then I'm taking my Got2b glue blasting free spray. I really like using this to secure down my wigs. It's so fast compared to all those gels that people use. So I like to do the middle part first and then I move to the sides. And you just spray the Got2b glued free spray on your natural hair. Then you want to go with your blow dryer on cool setting. You can either do cool or warm, but don't make it too hot, because if you make it too hot it will be so crunchy and I don't know how to explain it, but just don't use it hot. So after you use the blow dryer for a little bit, you notice that the spray will start to get tacky, which means it's like it starts to get really sticky. That's when you want to push your lace on it and then press on it and use your blow dryer to just further secure it. So I like to do the middle first and I do the two sides after that. Now I'm taking this edge control by the Main Choice. Whatever edge control you want to use, it really doesn't matter. but I'm just going to use that to swoop my edges. Sincerely, at the end of the day, I ended up using mousse, but yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. Go ahead and tie it down and use your blow dryer to get it dry faster. I was just in a hurry. Next, I'm taking my powder. I love this powder. L'Oreal True Match is like super pigmented, so that's why I like to use it. So I'm just going to use that to make the lace look more like my skin tone. And yeah, that's pretty much all I did for this hair. So yes, honeys, that is it for this video. I'm so loving this hair so much. I've had this hair for a while now. As you can see, it's starting to mat up at the end, but it's not that bad. Come on, it's a synthetic wig. I really like it. But I've noticed something in the camera. It's looking like they're like white dots, because I recorded this video before and I was like, I watched it and I was like, what is it looking like they're white dots on my scalp? And I had to re-record it today again, and I played it back on my laptop and it's actually still showing that. So I don't know if it's the lights, because in real life it looks good, but like on camera it's looking like they're white dots. Let me turn up the lights to see so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Can you see it looks just like my scalp? So I don't understand what exactly is going on. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. Anyways guys, let's just get right into talking about this hair. This wig was sent to me by a company called Readywig. I'm going to have all the details in the description box below. It's a full frontal wig, so it's a 13 by 4 lace frontal. So basically it's 13 inches from ear to ear and 4 inches of parting space. The knots obviously do not come bleached. It's synthetic wig, so I had to spray my leg spray or whatever that's called, and then I went in with my powder as well. It did not come with baby hairs, so I had to cut some baby hairs myself, and the curls do a really good job at bouncing back because I have combed and brushed and just really did things to this hair, and it's not like the curls are still there. Shut up, this laptop. The curls are still there, I'm just like, okay, that's pretty impressive for a synthetic wig, because usually when I buy synthetic wigs that are curly, once you brush them a few times, you just start getting like really poofy at the end, and like hair gets so flat and it's like, what are you doing? But this one itself is so nice. It does not shed. Like literally the shedding is like, so I've been combing and combing and combing this hair. This is my own hair. Oh my gosh. I've been combing and combing this hair, but like literally this is all that came out. And this is the first time I've actually seen it shedding. It does not shed since I've had it. So anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any questions about this hair, apart from where did I buy it, because where I bought it is in the description box below. Don't ask me that question, okay? But if you have any other question about this hair, like just whatever you want to ask me, just ask me in the comment section below and I'll reply you ASAP, as soon as I can. Okay, I'm just really happy about this hair. Oh my gosh. Anyways guys, wow, it's really dry in my room today. Drink water, babies. Anyways guys, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. That shows that you like it, you know what I'm saying? It's just kind of like you have to show you like it. Anyways, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, leave a comment before you leave, share this video with your friends and family. Don't be stingy, like let's all slay, you know what I'm saying? Anyways guys, I'm annoying myself with the way I'm talking, so I'm going to let you guys go and just save you all from all this. Okay, bye. I love you. Mwah.